Okay, so we take a look at the wedding invite tracker here with Google Appsheet. So first thing would be to create the database here. As you can see, this is new database with the default table that will be loaded here. We are not going to use this. Let's rename the database to something like MyDB and also create a new table. Right, so with new table, we'll basically add setting. So it should be something like wedding invite. You can allow the spaces, that's just fine. Right, now next thing would be removing the columns that you don't use. The default one I can't remove unless I create a new label column. So add the column. Here I'm going to add invite name. Save this. I'll be making this as label, so I can remove this default. Right, now I can add sent or not. So it should be yes, no, or pending. So it should be enum. So it should be yes, then no, then pending, and then save. Now next thing would be to use relation. Right, here we can choose from drop down or we can add text. So if you happen to choose between available list option, you can say things like this: whose connection was it? Right, and then finally I can use all the available option. I will save this so that one column is created. Now I will just add additional column like this. So there should be, right, and then right, so here finally I will add notes as one of the column, so to show whether that action is taken or not. Right, so if I go back to dashboard, click create then app, and with existing data I can give this a name. Right, and if I use like other as category here, then we will choose data source. So we have this particular database. So within Appsheet database we have that. We'll uncheck the table 1 because we don't have tabular structure there. You can also remove the table 1 from here. So I will create this. Meanwhile it loads, I can go back here, remove the table 1 because we don't need that. So most likely one refresh should do and it won't appear. Now if I go back, you will notice that the view is loading but it won't have anything, considering our tabular structure doesn't have anything. Right, so we go to view and here I have to change from deck to table. And then I can also remove the sort by and group by. Right, now I will save these current settings and I will try and open this within the desktop view. Right, now what I can do is I can manually add some of the entries. So in my name, let's see, in send, here we get to pick the option. So yes, no, pending. So sent is yes, relation is, let's see, friend, phone is 123-234-4567, and there should be email. Right, and there is also notes, and then we will try and save this. So we will have like the tabular structure for this invitee table, and it appears something like this. So you have your wedding invite tracker made in Google Appsheet.